Hello folks, want to make your prose a little more punchy? When editing, look for those adjectives and adverbs that can really make your writing drag. All those filler and filter words. Find them and get rid of them. For example, deep breath, thought, touched, saw, he saw, they saw, just, heard, he heard, they heard, she heard, decided, knew, noticed, realised, watched, wondered, seemed, seems, oh that's one of mine, looked, that's another one of mine, he looked, she looked, could, to be able to, yeesh, noted, rather, quite, somewhat, somehow, although I think these are okay in dialogue if used sparingly. Feel, felt. Now this one always starts alarm bells ringing. Don't just tell the reader that Bob is feeling angry. Try and describe his rage in a way that is unique to Bob, which is easier said than done, of course, but no one said this would be easy. And then, paired together, cut one or the other. Had, if you have two hads in a sentence, one of them has to go. Hads, two hads together, had, which does happen. See if there's a better way of writing around that. You might have to completely rethink the sentence. He looks, she looks, he turned to her and said, she turned, they turned. All this turning can make the reader feel dizzy, and you can have whole conversations with people turning around and it goes absolutely nowhere. Supposed, appeared to be, apparently. All of these can be weak and they can make your characters feel passive. If you're writing in the first person, these filter words can be doubly harmful. So, I turned and looked up and saw the elephant raise its foot to squish me. Is West fine. The elephant raised its foot to squish me is a lot more direct. Keep those physical movements to a minimum, all that turning, twisting, looking. Give the reader just enough to animate the action in their own head. You're not choreographing a musical. So when you're editing, look out for these filter words. Do a find and replace. Most of the time, you're better off simply cutting them. Other times, you might see an opportunity to replace them with something a little more dynamic. What do I mean by that? Okay, add a bit of movement or action or texture. Instead of the look to, turn to, have them raise their chin, look down their nose, scratch their ear, run their hands through their hair, drum their fingers nervously. Action that underlines what the character is trying to say or might be thinking. I find it useful sometimes to act the scene out. We're all writers, spending far too long sitting on our backside, so a little exercise won't do us any harm. Get up, move about, film it, film yourself. No one ever needs to see it but you. But seriously, most of the time, just cut the buggers. You're better off without them. Of course, there are exceptions. Sometimes we need these words to add clarity to a sentence, but too often I find myself relying on them when I should be trying to be a bit more zippy with my prose. But hey, that's what editing is all about. Hope you found that useful. Until next time, happy writing.